Yeah. All right, so as I always say, if you feel inspired to action, do it, because rarely, if at all, it will lead you astray. And that is how this recipe came to be: spaghetti squash casserole. Welcome to my kitchen. Check it. So during Thanksgiving, I wanted a vegetable dish that didn't involve green beans. I mean, how overplayed is green beans during Thanksgiving? Anyways, so I just kind of like came up with this recipe, kind of like on the fly. Like I was inspired, I did it, and I loved it. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with vegetables and cheese. Really, you can't. So, let's get into it. So, we're gonna start by roasting our veggies. So, I have spaghetti squash that I'm going to cut in half. We're gonna place this on a cookie sheet, and we're gonna drizzle it with oil. And we're gonna roast this at about 400 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Now at the same time, we're also going to roast our spinach and our mushrooms, which is about 8 ounces of each of them. Mushrooms, just make sure they're sliced. Now, the spinach and mushrooms are not going to take anywhere near as long as the squash, so you just want to make sure that you watch them, and once they get like nice and roasted, then you're just going to take them out, set them aside. Now, once the squash is done, you're going to take it out and let it cool a bit, just enough so that you can touch, and then we're going to use a fork to scrape out the flesh. And the reason why this is spaghetti squash is because when you scrape out the flesh, it looks like spaghetti strips. And so it is a great substitute for pasta. Now that the squash is done, now it's time to assemble. On the bottom, you just add your favorite pasta sauce, and I am using an Alfredo sauce, but a red sauce works just as well. And now I'm gonna add half of the squash. And then I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Now I have some shredded asiago cheese, which I'm gonna layer. I'm gonna follow that up with some shredded mozzarella cheese. Now we're gonna add just a little bit more sauce, and then we're gonna layer on the spinach. And you're using all of it, and then the mushrooms, and we're using both of those. Now we're gonna add another layer of asiago cheese. And mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna add some more sauce. And then we're gonna add the other half of the squash. We're gonna add just a little bit more sauce to that, and then we're gonna top with the remaining cheese. And then this bakes for about 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Then you enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you definitely want to try this recipe or any other healthy recipes out there that you want to see me do on this channel. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you much for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.